Good morning, everyone. We are on board Marble Valley Regional Transit District's the bus Rutland-Ludlow Connector. I spent the night last night here in Brattleboro. Rutland. And I'm on my way back to Brattleboro. We are on State Road 103 heading south towards Okemo and Ludlow. And when we get to Okemo, I will be getting on another bus operated by the Current, which is a Southeastern Vermont Transit company. They also run the Brattleboro B line in Brattleboro. We just passed the Appalachian Trail. Long trail working together.